Hello YouTube. Today we're making a video of the 32-inch tire upgrade on Pepe. I went with Sedona Rock-A-Billy tires and the Method 409 bead grips. The main reason I went with the bead grips is they save a little bit of weight over bead locks and they get nearly the same amount of grip on the bead. Here's the before with the stock 30s. Okay, here's a little look at before I put it on. It's quite a bit bigger. Okay, here's the front. Here's the back with the 30 still on it. Okay, here's with the 32s. So here's my thoughts on the upgrade. After driving it, I found really no loss in power. These XPs were geared pretty low, I guess due to coming with 30-inch tires. So Polaris pretty much anticipated people wanting to increase their tire size, so a 32 tire works really well. One thing that I will have to do is trim the front of the skid plates. They protrude about 2 inches over the edge of the machine into the front tire well, so that's gonna have to be removed because I did have some rubbing, but I kind of anticipated that. Overall, I'm very pleased with these new tires, and we are going to be going for a ride this weekend, and we'll check them out a little further.